Dear students, let us see Banking of Roads Part 1. Objectives: to understand the role of friction at circular turnings and banked roads. Maximum allowed speed while taking a turn. So this is a car which is moving on a curvilinear path, means performing a circular motion. When a car is performing a circular motion in a radius r, there is a centripetal force, and that centripetal force F is directed towards center. The friction force Fs between the tires of the vehicle and the car and the road provides the centripetal force. The normal reaction N of the vehicle gets balanced with its weight mg, and they are exactly equal and opposite. The limiting force of static friction Fs is mu mg, and the centripetal force for a car of mass m and radius of the curve road is r is given by centripetal force Fc is equals to m v square upon r. When this centripetal force becomes equals to or less than the maximum limiting force of static friction Fs, then the car moves in a safe speed. So it means that mv square upon r is less than or equals to mu mg, which implies that mm gets cancelled. V is less than or equals to under root mu r g. So when this car is moving with a speed mu r g under root, then it is safe. But if the speed is greater than under root mu r g, it skids off. When during rainy season or suppose oil spreads, then the speed is exceeded, then it will skid in this way. So to avoid this skidding, the banking is necessary, because always we do not rely on the force of friction. So when the car is moving with such a speed on a banked road, then see what is this banking. The road makes an angle theta with the horizontal, and this inclination is called as banking of roads. The normal reaction N of the vehicle we can split into two components. First one, horizontal component n sin theta, which is directed towards center. It acts as a centripetal force because it is directed towards central. N sin theta is equals to Fc, and therefore n sin theta is equals to mv square upon r, because it is a centripetal force. The vertical component n cos theta gets balanced with its weight mg. They are exactly equal and opposite. Therefore n cos theta is equals to mg. If you divide these two relations, n sin theta upon n cos theta, it becomes n tan theta, and automatically after cancelling m, we get tan theta is equals to v square upon rg, and when automatically this implies v is equals to under root rg tan theta. So this is the safe speed or maximum safe speed, balancing speed, normal speed of that vehicle which is moving on a banked road. That v does not depend upon the mass of the vehicle, because there is no term m in that equation. The rated speed or balancing speed v is equals to under root rg tan theta. See this vehicle which is having a larger mass and the first vehicle which is having a smaller mass. For both of these two vehicles, the safe speed, maximum speed is same. Summary: what we have seen here, safe speed while turning on a horizontal road, v must be less than or equals to under root mu rg, which is horizontal road, underline horizontal road. For banked road, the safe speed while turning on a smooth banked road, v is under root rg tan theta.